In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll subtitles problem. I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Crunchyroll app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to fix the subtitle issues, you need to go to your profile settings. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the account option, tap on it. In your account settings, here you can see the subtitles language option, tap on it. Make sure that you have selected at least one language for the subtitle and not the option of this none at the bottom. Now go back, and right below that you can see the show closed caption option. Make sure that you have enabled this option too. Now this should be fixing your subtitle issues in the video. Now you can go to home and head over to any videos and check if it's working. If you still get a problem with your subtitles, what you can do is head over to your settings. In your settings, go to the apps option. In the apps list, find the Crunchyroll app. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the storage option, tap on it. Now over here, you need to clear the cache memory. So at the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option, tap on it. Now you can close all the apps. Now relaunch the Crunchyroll app. Now you can head over to the video and check if the subtitles are working. You can try out these methods in order to fix your Crunchyroll subtitle issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.